Frustrated by the c2r64.dll error causing Office Click to Run 64-bit to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. While preparing the manual steps for c2r64, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the c2r64, the Click to Run c2r 64-bit core library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of Office 365 and 2021 streaming installations. It handles the real-time localized file system, virtualization, and background updates. Failure results in Office is busy or error 0OGS426-0 alerts. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of Office Click to Run 64-bit to restore c2r64.dll safely. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with c2r64. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Please use caution. Replacing c2r64.dll manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping c2r64 synchronized. If this diagnostic helped you resolve c2r64 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.